Hello and welcome back to the Craft Mansion. I'm David, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make Ron's first wand, but it's broken. So you can see how I made this in there's a video over here. This is Ron's wand, the first one, the one he has in the first two movies. So Philosopher's Stone and Chamber of Secrets. Basically, this is okay. Yeah, then we need some tape like this. I'm just gonna roll it round like this. I think it's called Spello tape. That's enough, and I mean you can put it straight or bent. It's up to you. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. These are some more videos from my channel over here, and you can always subscribe over here. The subscribe button. I can turn this off. This is Ron's wand. I'm David, and this is the Craft Mansion.